I'm so excited for our first box unboxing.
And we're super excited. I personally can't wait to undergo the flat brim to curved cap transformation that Max did. So without further ado, here we go.
Woo! This is truly the best gift that I've received in years, and it's beautiful. Okay, so here's the Theragun Prime.
Guys, who am I? I'm Lando in Croatia.
Okay, let's try it out. Ooh. Okay, this is very intense. No wonder they sponsor Red Bull.
Don't know if I want to make these noises on camera.
Oh, that feels really nice. Thank you, Therabody. This was very sweet. Box, everyone.